This is the help screen and this is how to fix Ultimate Guitar app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so just simply follow along. So guys, I'm gonna show you three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to your Google Play Store, and then from here, just search for the application Ultimate Guitar app, and from here, just tap on it. And guys, for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. Now, for the second solution, is just go to your settings, and over here, just go to your apps. And then from the apps, guys, just find the Ultimate Guitar and just tap on it, guys. And then from here, just go to the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you should be able to fix the issue and you should have a working Ultimate Guitar app. And now guys, if that doesn't work, the third solution is reinstalling the app on your device. So first thing that you will do is uninstall the application on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install the application again. And then from there, you should have a working Ultimate Guitar app. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching guys. See ya!